Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get rid of ruler in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Getting rid of ruler in Canva is a straightforward process. Once you are logged into your account, open the existing project that you're working with. If you haven't already, just click on the templates and you can use business, social media, education, video, marketing, and print products. Or you can simply click the create a design option in the upper left corner. In my case, I'm going to choose social media and click the create a blank YouTube thumbnail because after recording this video, I'm going to upload alongside with it the thumbnail in our G+ YouTube channel. Now here, as you can see, this is going to be the ruler. You see that these are measurements. Okay? Now hiding this can make your workspace a little bit cluttered depending on your preferences, allowing you to focus on your design without visual distractions. Alright? Hiding the ruler gives you more room to work, especially in smaller screens, and this can make it easier to see and manipulate design elements without unnecessary tools taking up space. And for you to be able to do that, I want you to click on the file option in the upper left corner. Click the settings and you'll see there's going to be an option that says show rulers and guides. If it's checked, just click on this option right here, uncheck that, and you would notice that the ruler has been gone. Now, the shortcut, if you're paying attention, is Shift plus R. Press Shift plus R button on your keyboard. You see that? Shift plus R. R for ruler. Okay, so these are some of the options that you can do. Now, when working in Canva, too many on-screen elements can cause a visual overload, and by hiding the ruler right here, you reduce the unnecessary information on the screen, okay? Which can help concentrate better on the creative aspects of your design. Some designers like me prefer a minimalist interface when creating, so I find it very efficient if I remove the ruler. It aligns with my personal preferences for a cleaner, distraction-free design environment. Of course, that is dependent again on your preferences. Because if you want a simpler, distraction-free design process, or when precise measurement tools are needed, just get rid of the ruler right here. Okay? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.